Hello, this video explains the usage of INI files in Netmaster regions. When you specify the characteristics of a Netmaster region, you use the Parameter Groups menu, which is shown here. You can access it using shortcut /parm or via menu command a.c.p. Here you can review and change a large number of parameters. They are grouped into categories to make it easier to maintain them. All of these parameters are stored in the VFS dataset. They are read during startup of the region. When you select a parameter group from the list using line command U, you can update that specific parameters. Here, for example, I have chosen parameter group panel libs, where the datasets containing distributed and user panels are defined. Also, the panel library with the sequence of searching is specified. Hit F5 to reach the initialization log. It displays the messages associated with initialization of that parameter group. The status of region initialization is displayed at the top right corner of the panel. In this case, all panel libraries were initialized successfully. Press F3 to return to the parameter group. Every change in parameters is stored in the VFS file when you save or file. These changes become effective after the next start of the region. If you want changes to become effective immediately, then you need to action them by pressing the F6 key. But what if you want to make sure to start the region with the same parameter settings every time? What if you have several regions which should use the same specifications, except of those which have to be unique? In this case, you can use a INIFILE during start of the region. You create that file using the shortcut /custom, then selecting option G, or by entering command a.c.g. Here, in the Generate INI procedure panel, you specify the member name in which the parameters are to be stored. Hit F6 to create the INIFILE member. In this file, the parameters are listed in groups following the parameter group structure. For example, here is a section where the parameters for the panel libs group are stored. Another hit on F6 key creates the INIFILE. The successful creation is indicated by message IAIN0154. To get the INI file working, specify its name in the runThisIn member. Here the runThisIn member is displayed. Hit F8 to find the INI file parameter. This parameter is initially filled with question marks and commented. You need to replace the asterisks and specify the name of the member created before. In our case, it's test ini. After a restart of the region, the specifications in that INI file are used during startup. As long as that specification is made in the runThisIn, any changes made directly in the parameter groups are not reflected, except they are made dynamically active by pressing F6. This concludes this video about the usage of INI files. Thank you for your attention.